My name is Christina Bell, and I'm the owner of Boutique Bella Bella here in Port Aransas, Texas. So I just want to share with you the most exciting news that I've had in this boutique in such a long time, because we're always excited about our new merchandise, but this particular one, and I'm going to unveil most of these pieces with you personally today, so you get the first showing of our product that they sent to us. We're the only boutique in the United States to have this in our store. The only boutique. And I'm so excited to announce that they only made 50 pieces of each one of these unique pieces of UNOde50 jewelry. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This one is called the Raindrop. Look how beautiful she is. One piece, one of a kind. Only store in the US. So proud to say that. Thank you, UNOde50, for selecting us. Oh my goodness. This is my second favorite. Gorgeous. It's more stunning in person. Look. Oh my good gosh. It's gracious. It's beautiful. It's heavy too. Just one look is all it takes when you open UNOde50 in the beautiful case. It's, oh wow. Oh my gosh. I feel like we're in Spain. Look at this. It's gorgeous. One day I'll meet the owner of this establishment someday. Okay, the last and final piece, but not to say the least, because I think this is definitely my favorite one, because this is the Bond. Stunning. She's two colors, silver and gold. She's beautiful. She can't come home with me. However, I would take all these pieces, y'all. They are amazing. So amazing. Look how they will lay upon your neck. I can't wait for my customers, my Bella Bella sparkly woman, to see this awesomeness. So the first one we have available is, it looks like rain to me. It's called the Raindrop. A beautiful piece, one of a kind. And the stunning colors in it are brilliant, like almost iridescent like. The next one we have is the Fractal, which is what the line is actually named after. It's this emerald color stone. And how this will look and you present yourself at any party or any gala will be, you'll look magnificent in this amazing fractal piece. And then we have the amazing brief. And I don't know if you can tell this, but these looks like dragonflies all the way down. They are dragonflies. Stunning piece, layered, multi-layered. So you don't have to wear any other jewelry, just this fine piece. It's just amazing. The next we have the Atlantic, which as you can see, it mirrors the stone after the Atlantic. This piece is stunning. It's also layered, has cent pieces in line with one. You can wear it as one piece. And the stones are brilliant, faceted in there, and they're gorgeous stones. The last but not least is my favorite, I believe, is the Bond. And it is two colors, the gold and the silver, chain linked, layered, magnificent. You will be a showstopper if you walk in any store or any place or where you want to go to wear this, because it is stunning. We were chosen to have these in our beautiful store, and I'm ecstatic to show them to you. Once they're gone, they're gone. We got one of each one, the only store in the United States to have these beautiful, beautiful pieces. You must come see them in person. We do them online or in store. However, the stunningness of the colors of the stones, you must come see in person, because sometimes lighting doesn't do jewelry justice, but if you see them in person, you'll know and you'll realize how beautiful these pieces are.